Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5.3 Vortec Cold Air intakes on the market that will take your vehicle's performance to the next level. If you're looking to enhance horsepower and improve throttle response, you're in the right place. These cold air intakes not only boost performance but also provide that aggressive sound you've been craving. We've done the research and narrowed it down to the best options available, so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily driver, there's something here for everyone. So, get ready to rev up your ride. Check the link in the description below for more details on each product. Number 1. MooSun 4-inch Cold Air Intake System plus Heat Shield for 99-06 GMC/Chevy V8 4.8L divided by 5.3L divided by 6.0L/Silverado 1500/2500/3500, Black, is an excellent upgrade for your vehicle, designed specifically to enhance the performance of your GMC or Chevy truck. This cold air intake system is engineered for a wide range of models, including the 2002 to 2006 Avalanche 1500, 1999 to 2006 Silverado 1500, and 2001 to 2006 Sierra 1500, among others, ensuring a perfect fit for most V8 engines in the specified years. One of its standout features is the 4-inch diameter tubing, which significantly increases airflow to the engine, resulting in improved throttle response and increased horsepower. The heat shield included with the intake system effectively blocks engine heat, allowing for cooler air intake, which is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance. Crafted from high-quality materials, the MooSun intake system boasts durability and resistance to wear and tear, ensuring it withstands harsh conditions while enhancing your vehicle's efficiency. The installation process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it suitable for both experienced mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Additionally, this system is designed to enhance the sound of your engine, giving it a more aggressive tone that many truck enthusiasts desire. With its compatibility with models like the Silverado 1500 HD and Sierra 2500 HD, the MooSun Cold Air Intake System is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their truck's performance, especially for those seeking a 5.3 Vortec Cold Air Intake solution. Whether you're towing, hauling, or just cruising around town, this intake system will provide a noticeable boost in performance and responsiveness, making it a valuable addition to your vehicle. Number 2. SUPRFASTRSANG 4-inch Cold Air Intake System is engineered for those seeking to enhance their vehicle's performance, specifically designed for 1999 to 2006 GMC/Chevy V8 models with 4.8L, 5.3L, and 6.0L engines. One of the standout features of this intake system is the steel heat shield, which comes with a durable carbon black powder coating, ensuring not only longevity but also an aesthetically pleasing appearance under the hood. This cold air intake is designed to increase horsepower by 8 to 10% and torque by 6 to 10%, providing a noticeable boost in performance while producing an appealing intake sound that enthusiasts will appreciate. The high-quality construction of this system allows it to fit both automatic and manual transmissions seamlessly, making it a versatile option for many truck owners. The washable and reusable filters contribute to the efficiency of the air intake, allowing for easy maintenance and long-term use. Installation is straightforward, as the kit includes everything needed and can be completed using commonly available tools, making it accessible even for DIY enthusiasts. By allowing your engine to draw in more cold air, this intake system significantly improves throttle response and increases explosive horsepower output, enhancing your driving experience. Additionally, the powder-coated steel heat shield serves to isolate the air filter from the rest of the engine compartment, ensuring that the air entering your engine remains as cool as possible. Please note that the system does not include a sensor adapter sleeve, which may be required for certain installations. Overall, the SUPRFASTRSANG Cold Air Intake System is a top-tier upgrade for those looking to boost their GMC/Chevy V8 performance while enjoying the benefits of improved airflow and efficiency. Number 3. Rough Country Cold Air Intake is a high-performance upgrade designed specifically for 2014 to 2018 Chevy and GMC 1500 trucks equipped with the powerful 5.3L or 6.2L engines. This intake system offers significant improvements in horsepower and throttle response, making your driving experience more exhilarating. One of the standout features of this cold air intake is its ability to circulate cooler air, which is denser and contains more oxygen. This results in enhanced combustion efficiency and power output, ensuring your truck performs at its best on and off the road. Equipped with a premium, reusable air filter, the Rough Country Cold Air intake not only helps increase airflow but also provides long-term cost savings, as you won't need to constantly replace disposable filters. The filter is designed for optimal filtration, ensuring that only clean, fresh air enters your engine, which is crucial for maintaining performance and longevity. Installation is a breeze with the Rough Country Cold Air intake. It comes with all necessary components and instructions, allowing for an easy at-home installation without the need for professional assistance. Additionally, Rough Country offers reliable support for any questions or concerns during the installation process. Furthermore, this cold air intake system is backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance in your investment. Whether you're looking to enhance your truck's performance or simply want to improve your driving experience, the Rough Country Cold Air intake is a fantastic choice that delivers both power and efficiency for your 5.3 Vortec engine. Number 4. Fequar 4-inch Cold Air Intake System Kit is an exceptional upgrade for your 1999 to 2006 Chevy, GMC, or Cadillac, including popular models like the Avalanche, Suburban, Tahoe, Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, and Escalade equipped with 4.8L, 5.3L, or 6.0L V8 engines. This air intake kit is designed to enhance engine performance by allowing it to draw in more cold air, resulting in improved throttle response and increased explosive horsepower output. One of the standout features of the Fequar intake system is its high-quality heat shield, which protects the air filter from dirt and debris while keeping hot underhood air away from the intake, ensuring a cooler air charge. This means you get maximum performance when it matters most. Installation is a breeze, as this kit is engineered for easy fitting with simple tools. No additional parts are needed, allowing you to upgrade your vehicle quickly and efficiently. With its compatibility with the 1999 to 2006 GMC Sierra and Yukon V8 engines, this kit is a perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's performance. The Fequar intake system is not only functional but also designed to increase horsepower by 8 to 10% and torque by 6 to 10%, making it a fantastic investment for power enthusiasts. Moreover, it creates an attractive intake noise that adds to the overall driving experience. Whether you're looking for better performance on the road or just want to give your engine a more aggressive sound, the Fequar Cold Air intake system is an excellent solution. If you're considering a 5.3 Vortec Cold Air intake, this kit is sure to meet your performance needs and exceed your expectations. Number 5. Canden Cold Air Intake Kit is designed to significantly enhance the performance of your 5.3L V8 engine found in various Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac models from 1999 to 2007, including the Silverado, Suburban, and Tahoe, model number 57-3023-1. This high-performance air intake system guarantees an increase in horsepower by up to 14 HP and torque by up to 15 ft-lbs, thanks to its less restrictive airflow path that allows for a greater volume of cool, oxygen-rich air to reach your engine. One of the standout features is the impressive engine growl it provides during acceleration, adding an exhilarating sound experience while ensuring a quieter ride at cruising speeds. Canden's intake system is backed by rigorous dyno testing, providing trustworthy horsepower and torque results included with each kit. It notably improves acceleration and uphill performance when towing, enhancing throttle response and overall engine performance. The kit features Canden's signature reusable air filter, which combines 4 layers of pleated cotton with specially formulated red filter oil, effectively capturing dirt and dust while allowing clean air to flow freely into your engine. This filter only requires cleaning every 100,000 miles under normal driving conditions, making it a convenient option for users. The durable roto-molded intake tube made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, increases airflow volume, while the custom heat shield protects intake air from the high temperatures in your engine bay. Canden stands by its product with a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty that won't void your manufacturer's warranty. Installation is straightforward, taking less than 60 minutes with basic hand tools, and it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability backed by US-based customer support. In conclusion, upgrading to a 5.3 Vortec Cold Air intake is a smart move for anyone looking to boost performance and efficiency. By allowing your engine to breathe better, you'll experience enhanced horsepower, improved throttle response, and even better fuel economy. Whether you're a daily driver or a performance enthusiast, this modification can make a noticeable difference. Remember to choose a quality intake system that suits your needs and install it correctly for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share with your friends for more updates and videos on enhancing your vehicle's performance.